Brad Williams, Frugal Finance, understanding pool maintenance costs in 2025. It's like shoving money into a big old hole owning a pool. I own one, and it's like shoveling money into a big old hole. Owning a pool comes with ongoing expenses beyond installation. Regular maintenance is necessary to keep the water clean, balance chemicals, and ensure equipment functions properly, whether you handle it yourself or hire a professional. Knowing the costs involved can help you budget effectively. Average pool maintenance cost? The national average for pool maintenance is $235 per month, with most homeowners spending between $116 and $354. However, basic upkeep can be as low as $55, while full-service maintenance and repairs can reach $775 or more. Key factors influencing cost: pool type. In-ground pools typically require more maintenance than above-ground options. Size: larger pools need more chemicals and cleaning, increasing costs. Frequency of service: weekly, monthly, or seasonal maintenance affects total expenses. Materials: concrete pools demand more care than fiberglass or vinyl-lined pools. Repairs: fixing pumps, filters, or leaks can add unexpected expenses. Breakdown of pool maintenance cost: pool cleaning and water testing, $80 to $150 per month. Opening, closing the pool, $150 to $300 each. Electricity for operation, $300 per year. Don't even think it's that low. Try tripling that. Acid washing, $350 to $500. Chlorine washing, $300 to $500. Filter cleaning, $600 to $125. Pool maintenance frequency and cost. Pool maintenance frequency and cost: weekly maintenance, $20 to $50 per week. The technician will test and balance chemicals, skim debris, and add treatments as needed. Regular maintenance helps prevent algae buildup and equipment damage. Monthly maintenance, $30 to $260 per month. Basic monthly plans include water testing and equipment checks, while premium services cover deep cleaning, brushing, and filter maintenance. Annual maintenance, $960 to $1,800 per year. Comprehensive service ensures long-term care, covering seasonal opening and closing, water balancing, and major equipment inspections. DIY versus professional pool maintenance. DIY maintenance saves up to $1,000 per year. Requires weekly tasks like skimming, brushing, and chemical balancing. Initial investment in supplies, $35 to $100 for a maintenance kit. Hiring a professional costs $80 to $200 per week. Ensures proper care and extends pool lifespan. Reduces the risk of costly maintenance and repairs. How to save on pool maintenance: regularly clean filters to prevent clogs and extend equipment life. Use a pool cover to reduce debris and evaporation. Monitor chemical levels to avoid costly imbalances. Invest in energy-efficient pumps to lower electricity costs. DIY small tasks like skimming and brushing while hiring a pro for seasonal maintenance. Additionally, if you have extremely rude neighbors who allow their trees to overgrow and trespass on your property, then all that crap drops into your pool. Well, that is an endless problem, and the costs and the time involved is triple whatever I just said. And I'm speaking from experience. Final thoughts: maintaining a pool requires both time and money, but routine upkeep prevents expensive repairs and ensures a safe swimming environment. Whether you choose to handle maintenance yourself or hire a professional, planning ahead for these costs will help you enjoy your pool without financial surprises. Look, owning a pool is costly. And here's the drawback. When you initially have a pool, there's that honeymoon phase for about a year or two. And then from then on, it's just very expensive and it's rarely used. So for those of you who have swimming pools, let me know your experiences. Let me know your costs. Do you think it's a big old hole you just keep shoveling money into? Comment. Brad Williams, Frugal Finance. Thanks for watching. Hope that helps. See you soon.